In Hindi, in fraction, the number is 40. Total number is 72. Total number is 72 divided by 8. Both number divided by 8, that is 8 5 ja, 8 9 ja. That number in fraction form is 5 by 9. Similarly, 12 by 72. Each number divided by total number. That is converted into fraction. 12 1 ja, 12 6 ja, that is 1 by 6. 9 by 72. 9 1 ja, 9 8 ja, that is 1 by 8. 7 by 72 as it is. And 4 by 72. 4 1 ja, 18 4 ja, 1 by 18. And central angle, whole angle is 360. So the fraction multiply with 360. 40 9 ja 360. That angle is 200. 40 into 5, that is 200. Okay. 1 by 6 multiply each number, each fraction multiply with 360. That is equal to 60 angle. 1 by 8 multiply 360. That is equal to 45 into 1. That angle is 45. 7 by 72 into 360. 72 5 is 360. 7 into 5 35. And 1 by 18 into 360. 18 2 is 360. 18 2 is 36. That angle is 20. First you draw a unit, draw a circle. Draw a circle and find that is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. First you draw the radius of a circle and draw an angle 200. Straight angle is 180 degree and that angle another angle 20 degree. That angle is 200 degree. That angle is. You draw the angle with protractor. That angle is 200 degree. And 200 degree that languages is Hindi. अब इसके बाद यहाँ पे पॉइंट 0 पे होना चाहिए, लाइन 0 पे. और एंगल कौन सा है 60. That angle is 60. That angle is 60 degree. Okay, angle AOB is 60 degree. AOB 60 degree draw करना. Okay, that line OA is the 0 and angle AOB that is equal to 60 degree. Another one is 45. That angle is 45 with a proper scale. Therefore, angle BOC is equal to 45. That language is English. That is Tamil. Marathi. Sorry. Marathi. Another language is 35 degree. That angle is 35. Angle COD is 35 degree. And that language is Tamil. And another language last is Bengali. And that angle is only 20 degree. Bengali. And angle DOE is Bengali. Okay, clear? Question number 4, exercise 5.2. Total marks is 540. And the subject and central angle is given in the question. Find in fraction and the number of marks in each subject. Find the fraction. The angle is 90. Total angle is 360. 90 by 360. 0 0 cut. 9 1 ja 9. 9 4 ja 36. That is equal to 1 by 4. 55 by 360. 11 5 ja 55. 72 5 ja 360. That is 11 by 72. 70 by 360. 0 0 cut. That is 7 by 36. Okay. Clear? 80 by 360. 0 0 cut. 4 2 ja 4 9 ja. That is equal to 2 by 9. And 65 by 360. 13 5 ja 72 5 ja, that is 13 by 72. 13 by 72. And convert into the number of marks. The fraction form multiply total marks 540. So 1 by 4 multiply 540. Total marks, therefore 540 by 4. That is equal to 135 marks in mathematics. Total marks 540. Okay, in 540, the mathematics marks is 135. 11 upon 72 multiply 540. That is equal to 36 by 36 2s are, otherwise 18 4s are, 18 3s are 54, and that is 2 by 15, 165 by 2, and that is equal to 82.5 marks. That is equal to 82.5 marks. Okay, 82.5 marks in the subject English. Hindi, 7 upon 36 into 540, 18 2s are, 18 30s are, 15, 7 into 15, that is equal to 105 marks in Hindi. Total marks is 540. In science, 2 by 9 into 540, that is equal to 60. 60 into 2, that is 120 marks in science. And 13 by 72 into 540 divided by 2, that is equal to 15. 36 2s are, 36 15s are. So 15 into 13, 195 by 2, that is a 97.5 marks in social science. Okay, clear? तो सेंट्रल एंगल और सब्जेक्ट से हमने क्या फाइंड किया? मार्क्स इन ईच सब्जेक्ट. In first question, in which subject did the students score 105 marks? In which subject? First question answer is Hindi. In Hindi subject. In Hindi subject, students get 105 marks in Hindi subject. Second one, how many more marks were obtained by the students in mathematics than in Hindi? Mathematics, more marks in mathematics. More marks in maths than Hindi. Mathematics mark is 135 minus 105. It is 30 marks more. 30 more marks in mathematics than Hindi. Okay. And third one, examine whether the sum of the marks obtained by social science and mathematics. Social science plus mathematics, that is equal to total marks 97.5 plus 132.5, 135. That is equal to 232.5 marks, and is more than the science and Hindi. Science plus Hindi. Science plus Hindi marks. Science marks is 120 and Hindi mark is 105. That is equal to 225. Examine whether the sum of the marks obtained by social science and Hindi is more than the science and Hindi. Yes. Therefore, 232.5 marks is more than the 225. Yes. SS plus maths mark is greater than science plus Hindi marks. Okay.